Getting you an update now, though now survivor is inside the courtroom, we are learning, and very shortly the court will be hearing the CBI's plea. My colleague Arunima continues to be with us on the broadcast. Remember, she's been reporting about all the updates from outside the courtroom. Arunima, key things that will emerge out of the Supreme Court as the CBI plea is now before it. Now we are learning that the survivor is also inside the courtroom. Any more details that are emerging, particularly in the backdrop of the grievance that the survivor and her family has had with the CBI investigation itself? They have termed it severely botched up, and how there was collusion on part of the investigating officer and Senger.
See, before I give you details of the case per se, I just want to give you a sense of what's happening at the court premises. Right behind me, you see this vehicle which says Kendriya Reserve Police Bal. This is a CRPF vehicle, and there are personnel from CRPF who are there already inside the Supreme Court premises. This is not a scene that you see usually, and there are similar signs outside as well. Both Anshul and I have been sending you ground reports from outside the Supreme Court premises, where there's heavy police bandobast, Delhi police, the RAF of paramilitary, they're all deployed, because there is a concern that this matter is getting decided outside. Public perception, public anger is very high in this case. So even though I just spoke to Yogita Bayana, somebody who has been, assisting the Unnao survivor and her family, she said the Unnao survivor is currently heartbroken. She's inside the courtroom as we are speaking, waiting for the Supreme Court to take up her case. Her expectation is that today itself, not just a notice will be issued to Kuldeep Singh Sengar, but also a stay order will be given by the Supreme Court, a stay on the Delhi High Court order which has given relief to Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Suspension of sentence has been allowed. So she is hoping for a stay. So that's at least some relief for her. Yes. Her other concern is that beyond this case, there's also another case for which Kuldeep Singh Sengar is still in jail, and that is the custodial murder or custodial killing of her father. Her doubt is, her fear is that if in this case is given relief, what will stop him from, making the system work to his advantage and getting relief in that matter as well. But even then, the survivor says that she is hopeful that the Supreme Court will, as a temporary measure, give a stay order today and then hear the matter afresh. The key contention after the Delhi High Court order is who is a public servant. Is an MLA or an MP, are they defined as a public servant or not? Are they public servant only so far as corruption cases are concerned, because Prevention of Corruption Act treats them as public servant? Are they not a public servant in cases of gang rape and murder? That's a big question that the Delhi High Court order has now thrown open, and Supreme Court is expected to weigh in and set the record straight for that definition as well.
Right, Arunima, thank you so much for that. Do stay on with us. Arunima was just taking us through the scenes outside the courtroom. Now we are learning of a protest that is